We're learning the essential parts of an airplane in simple English. By the end, you'll recognize them all and sound like a pro. Let's go. Wing. Wing. The wings lift the airplane into the sky. Fuselage. Fuselage. The fuselage is the main body where passengers sit. Tail. Tail. The tail keeps the airplane balanced in the air. Cockpit. Cockpit. The cockpit is where pilots control the plane. Engine. Engine. Engines give the plane power to fly. Landing gear. Landing gear helps the plane land safely. Flap. Flap. Flaps on the wings slow the plane for landing. Aileron. Aileron. Ailerons help the plane turn left or right. Rudder. Rudder. The rudder controls left and right movement of the nose. Elevator. Elevator. Elevators make the plane go up or down. Propeller. Propeller. Propellers push the plane forward. Jet exhaust. Jet exhaust pushes air behind the plane fast. Winglet. Winglet. Winglets at the tips reduce drag and save fuel. Nose. Nose. The nose points the airplane forward. Windows. Windows. Windows let passengers look outside. Which word will you use today? Comment below. Hit like if you learned something and subscribe for daily vocab wins.